guys, what's up? My name is Lauren and this is my channel, Naturally Lori, and today I'm back with another video, as you can see. So as you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be my unboxing of the Growth Bundle by GROVEDA Hair Solutions. Now this isn't a new bundle at all. This is one of them that they have had on their website for the longest amount of time, but it is my first time receiving it, which is why I chose to do an unboxing video. So yeah, it's an unboxing video of the hair growth bundle. If I'm not saying it correctly, I will have the correct term for this bundle in the title and down below. And if y'all did not know, I am a brand ambassador for GROVEDA Hair Solutions. So my discount code, their website, their Facebook, all of that information is always in my description box. You just gotta check it out. It's always down there in every video of mine that you will watch. So keep that in mind. But yes, today's video is going to be an unboxing of it's actually called the GROVEDA all-in-one bundle, but on their website, if I'm not mistaken, it's the growth bundle. But like I just said, the correct term for it would be in the title. So when you get your box, this is what it looks like right there. It's just a simple little box, and when you open it, this is how I got mine to look, because I just did a thumbnail. When you open it, it's actually going to be packed in there very securely with these little foam things all up around it. Like, it's very secure. If you're interested in, ordering from them, it's very secure, like top notch. If you didn't know, I received their Aloe Rose collection, and I did an unboxing for that as well. So that will be linked down below if you're interested in what else GROVEDA has. I have an unboxing for that, but let's just get right on into this. So it came with your receipts. I am a brand ambassador, so I did receive all of these for free, to promote, to review for y'all. So, but you would get a receipt. I even got a receipt, so that's number one. So in this hair growth bundle, the first two things that I saw was their GROVEDA. I always wonder if I'm saying it wrong. Is it GROVEDA or GROVEDA? I gotta ask them. But the GROVEDA Hair Solutions GROVEDA Creamy Shampoo and the Creamy Conditioner. So they did come with these little plastic things on top of them. I just, put them back on because I looked in it. But when you take it off, that's what it looks like. I'm actually going to review all of these products separately. I'm not going to do one big review video like I did before. All of my previous review videos for GROVEDA, anything GROVEDA, is in my description, link down below if y'all didn't know. But yeah, so I'm not going to review all of these products in one video like I did before. The shampoo and conditioner is going to have its own video, and the other products in this video is going to have its own video. But yes, the creamy shampoo and the creamy conditioner, the creamy shampoo and creamy conditioner, they both say they promotes hair growth, repair, restore, and rejuvenates. And this is bring the strength, and this is bring the moisture. I will be doing a hair growth challenge, so just stay tuned. I will have that video up next, and y'all are going to hear all of the deets. So I'm just saying, these are definitely involved in that challenge. So the next thing I received is something I've gotten from them before. It's been like a year since I last had it though. So it comes packaged just like this. You take it out, it's great. This is the GROVEDA hair serum. So it promotes hair growth and thickness, less breakage and frizz, and bring the growth is what it says. So like I mentioned before, the last time I received this, it comes with this, press top, like that. You can just squeeze it out. But they do send you like a nozzle to take this off so you can apply it right to the scalp, which I always think is very considerate and amazing. When you get it, all of these products are like sealed, so no spillages, anything like that. And not to mention, again, the bubble wrap it comes in, so when you get it, it ought to be very, very secure. But yeah, I've used this before. I really did like it. I will be doing an updated review eventually, so just stay tuned to my channel. But yeah, this is the hair serum. The next product that I received in this bundle is my favorite thing ever. Y'all might know if you watch my channel and my Instagram. It is the GROVEDA Hair Solutions Organic Matcha Green Tea Avocado Hair Mask. I literally love this. I kind of wish they sent me like the 12-ounce one instead of the 8-ounce one. I'm grateful either way, but I know I'm going to run through this, especially with this upcoming growth challenge I have coming. But I love this. I have like multiple reviews up of this up on my channel. I will link my most recent one and my old one down below. I will link my most recent one up above and both of them down below. Yes, I love this deep conditioner, this hair mask, however you want to describe it. I literally love it. It says it's a deep conditioner for dry and damaged hair. It hydrates and nourishes for silkier, healthier, soft hair. Love this. Love, love, love this. Very happy I got a new one. And then lastly, in this bundle, this hair growth bundle that I received, is the one I was the most excited for. It is the GROVEDA Hair Solutions Advanced Natural Hair Growth Formula Hair Growth Vitamins. So on it, it says it helps support healthy hair growth, supports vibrant skin, and aids in strong nails. And it has 28 active ingredients. And it comes with 60 capsules. And you're supposed to take 2 a day. And that's what it looks like. This came packaged and sealed up with the cover on there. I took it off. I do want to show y'all the peel though. Right here. It's not that big of a peel, but it's kind of a big peel. So, but yeah. I have no problem with big peels, by the way. But super excited to take this because I want my hair to grow. As y'all know, I've mentioned a hair growth challenge for a while, and now I got my vitamins so I can start it. And then these are all the little foamies that came in it that your products will be placed in there with, so it won't just be in the box like I showed y'all. By the way, I just think that's important to mention once again. But that is all I received in my hair growth bundle. I'm super excited to use all 5 of those new products. I'm excited to add those to my collection. Super excited. Thank you, GROVEDA, for choosing me to be an ambassador first and foremost and sending me these products. I'm super excited to try them. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. So if you enjoyed this unboxing, please give me a thumbs up, comment down below, share this video with a friend, and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna see you in my next one. Bye.